Hello kids, I'm back again with a new craft. See, a cutie bird. Are you ready to make one? Come, let's start. Materials required: rectangle strip 4 cm width by 25 cm length, another rectangle strip 4 cm width by 10 cm length, another color A4 size sheet, a pair of scissors, glue. Take a rectangle strip, make 2 cm marking on both the ends and give a small slit. Insert both the slit inside each other like this. Body of the bird is ready. Take another small strip and join both the ends to make a circle. Fix it on the top of the body like this. Take a circle and cut it into equal half to get 2 semicircles. And make a small folding. And fix it like this as wings. You may take any colored sheet, cut a small triangle piece out of it, and fix it like this. Take 2 small white circles and draw the eyes. And fix it like this. Your bird is ready. Hope you all enjoyed it. Bye.